You're using the pen tool all wrong. This is how you actually use it. Normally when we use the pen tool, we just plot nodes and points everywhere and pull handles and just create loads of these dots. The problem with that is that you get too many dots. If I'm to draw out a circle for you, you'll notice that all the points are at the top, bottom, left and right, and all the handles are either horizontal or vertical. This is how the pen tool should be used. So if I was to draw a square around this circle, every time the square touches the circle, that is called the extrema. And that is exactly where the node should be and where the direction of the handles should face. So if I take this R here and I draw a square around the outside of this top part, you'll see exactly where the node points should be. This is known as the box method, and in using this method, you get a really nice system and you're able to edit your typography and your logos a lot easier. You don't get loads of those points that you don't need. If you enjoyed this video, follow for more graphic design tips.